Alright, what's up YouTube? Time to cut the pineapple. It has been a little longer than I expected, but you know, get a little busy and stuff. But here's the pineapple, still looking very good. Give y'all a little look real quick here. Here's the crown still, y'all. So I do want to cut this pineapple. I don't want to wait. I don't want to go any longer, y'all. I'm gonna try to regrow this crown here. So here's the crown. Remember how I made up videos before? You peel these back right here, y'all, to expose it where the roots will come out from. So I'll just do that right here just to kind of show y'all. Those of y'all watch this that don't know, just peel these back right here. And you start exposing that. See this part here? That's where we're exposing, and that's where the roots will grow from. About right there, just good enough to get your roots right here. Now you could go ahead and let it dry out 2-3 days. Put in some water, y'all, for a little. You know, you start seeing a little bit of roots. Put it in the soil, or just put it directly in the soil and just keep it moist. So for the pineapple, so we're gonna check this out right here, y'all. The way I'm gonna cut it, I'm just gonna try to square it, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and try to square. I'm gonna go ahead and cut a little bit more off, so now I could expose it there. This is more of the, still the top there, y'all. For the very top, still tastes really good. Alright, y'all, so I'm just gonna try to just square it off. Fast and clean. As close as I can to the skin. Without losing too much fruit. Go ahead and cut this bottom right there, y'all. Put all this to the side. Alright, y'all, so here we got the actual pineapple fruit right here. A little bit right there. I don't want to cut too much of the fruit off, so, you know, it's going to kind of have a little bit of the skin there, but let me get it as clean as I can. Alrighty. So there we go. Now we're just gonna chunk her down. Y'all can see that pineapple there, y'all. This one right here, I'm just gonna go and cut big chunks. Let me get this out the way. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna just kind of cut some big chunks here. Pineapple. Here's the first taste test here, y'all. Careful for the little skin that might be still in there.
I like to eat them. Very nicely.
Man, straight from the. You would think this pineapple was grown in Hawaii, man. That's how good it tastes. Actually, I think they grow pineapples in Costa Rica. Man, this pineapple tastes really good, y'all. Let me give y'all my face reaction.
Sweet. See, very juicy.
Very juicy, very sweet. Did I give you the circle?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I'm going to give you a outside piece. I'm going to go ahead and go for this piece right here, y'all. I'm going to give you a little squeeze. See that juice right there? That's a good pineapple right there, y'all. And we just made some smoothies, strawberry banana. Could have put a little pineapple in there. Here's the smoothie. Hey, but all I can say is this pineapple tastes really good, y'all. Go ahead and try to grow y'all some. It takes 2 to 3 years for your first pineapple to come out. And after that, it'll take 12 to 16 months. So about a year and a half, and you'll start getting your pineapple. So here's the cuts right here, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and end it there, y'all. Pineapple tastes really good. Exactly like you expect a pineapple to taste. Go ahead and share this with my family. Let them try it out for themselves and taste it. It was cut right on time. I could just imagine if I would have cut it even sooner. So maybe the next one for sure I'll cut as soon as I take it off. Let it chill in the fridge maybe a day or two. But this one has probably been in there 4 or 5 days. But still not bad. But alrighty, man. I'm about to sign off of here. That was the pineapple. There it is. Let me give you a little closer look. Alrighty, y'all. So the pineapple is the crown right here. Beautiful crown. Look at that. That thing is huge. There's that pineapple. And as you cut them, you know, you could go in there and eat a little bit off of here. You don't want to waste it, but here's your main fruit right there. Hey, I'm going to get out of here, man. Thanks for watching. The pineapple tastes really good. Really good tasting pineapple. Really great. Tastes awesome. Beautiful pineapple. God's creation there, and it's nice to be able to grow yourself. I even got some, let me show y'all. I even just kind of started a little bit of stuff right here. I mean, just try it, man. Get out there, you know. Get out there and grow it. That's all I can say. Try your best. All right, man. I'm out of here. Peace. Thanks for watching. Laters.